You're under the pressure. I lost my temper. I said something foolish. Did I go and ruin this? When it started to feel so real, could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. No, I don't want to be alone so late at night. So late at night.
Hello guys, good morning. It's around 7:30 in the morning. I want to prepare breakfast. Yeah, I'm starting the vlog with preparing the breakfast, and then you will spend the day with me what I did in this day. So if you're new, my name is Adija, a mom of 3. Welcome so much to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, and
did I
hit the
go and
notification button so
ruin
that when I post a
this?
video,
When
it's
it
the first one to
started
be
to
notified.
feel
So
so
I'm starting with
real,
making
could
breakfast.
feel it
Yeah,
running,
so for the returning
running through
subscribers, thank you
my
so much for
lonely
always
veins.
coming
When I
and
started to
supporting my
heal,
content.
could see
Yeah, I don't take it
myself
for granted,
loving,
guys. Yeah, and God
loving
bless
for
you
the
so
rest
much.
of
So for
my
the breakfast, we're going to
days.
have eggs, bread,
No, I
and
don't
some
want to be
smokies. So stay
alone
tuned
so
for the
late
daily vlog.
at night.
Yeah, and leave a positive comment, like the video, share me out if you can, and yes, let's get
So late
started.
at night. No, I don't wanna sleep 'cause then I'm dreaming. Then you're not real, not mine to keep. No, I don't wanna sleep, then I'm losing time, losing my chance to make you mine. So late at night, go back to December. Look back and remember. Those memories are better than gold. I let you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. So late at night.
So guys, we were going to look for a mattress. Our mattress has been not that good. It has brought us some backaches and neck aches. So we went for a orthopedic one. So I went to Quick Mart supermarket where I was getting a orthopedic one. It was very expensive, you guys. Finally we got it. Yeah, but they are going to drop it in the evening, you guys. So yeah, we took, it was around over 40,000, so it was very expensive, guys, but we had to take it. And later we went for our lunch date at the nearest nearest restaurant which is near our town. So we were very hungry. We decided to go for lunch with my hubby. Yeah, so we are going, that hotel is called Perfectus Hotel. It is along Kangundo Road, along Tala. If you are going to Machakos, Tala, yeah, so that it is Perfectus. It's a very big hotel, very spacious and very beautiful, with very good food, guys. So we passed over there. Yeah, you can see even the environment outside the hotel is very beautiful, guys. Yeah, and we took some lunch. For the lunch, I went for chips with chickens. My hubby was just taking coffee only, but me, I was very hungry, you guys. I ate that food until I finished. The chicken was very sweet, guys. Yeah, so that is what we went for our lunch because it was late and we had so many things we were going to do in the town, guys. So and then yeah, so you can see when their food is not delicious. And then I decided to get what we didn't have in the house. So I got those kienyeji mbogas, I got toothbrush, Mohabi, Colgate, menengai, festive bread and tissues, you guys, and some milk. We got some pieces of milk. That is what we didn't have in the house, you guys. So it was just, and then dishwashing liquid, so that is what we didn't have. And then we got meat, tomatoes, yeah, some vegetables, guys. That is what we didn't have for that day. So no more talking, just see what
Did
I
I
did.
go and ruin this when it started to feel so real? Could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days. No,
So guys, it's around 5:30 and the supermarket men delivered the mattress. It is orthopedic over there. It's 6x6, you guys. I think I'm going to feel well when I sleep in this mattress, you guys. Yeah, and later we were going for dinner. For dinner I'm going to cook ugali, greens and meat. So no more taking, just see what I did.
Those memories are better than gold. I let you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, could feel it running, running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving, loving for the rest of my days.